Hello everyone, how to tuts. I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create your account on MeYo Friends application. So first of all, you need to make sure that this app is installed in your device. Then tap on the open button. Then you can see the interface like this. So you can create your account like couple of options, like you can create your account with Facebook, with Google, and you can also create your account manually. So I prefer sign in with Google because it's really simple. So I just tap my Google account and now it's processing. So now you can see here invitation code, and you have to select your birthday, like your not be changed when, so it will not be changed later. I'm just going to tap OK. So you can see it's really simple.